Let's start the morning of the peso and that's with a cup of coffee. Next we go to the mall, of course I must walk through my favorite store. After that we go to the bank and oh my word, it's so long to sit at the bank nowadays. Even look at my girlfriend's face, that says it all. Guys, I need to hook you guys up with the best spot in Sanlam Mall right now. And that's OG Cafe. Oh my word, just look at this meal and this burger. It is so lovely. After that we watch Man City and Real Madrid and let's not talk about that. I asked Dreamboys for PS5 because why not? I watched Leicester FPL and he said I must make the Haaland to Ikitike move and I've done it. Guys, just listen what's gonna be said next and take good note. Sora, what is the word of the day?
Drink water and stay out of people's business. Right time.
Guys, all of a sudden I didn't feel well and my girlfriend hooked me up with this pills and of course I had to get him. I ended my week with this lovely braai and started watching season 3 of Fatal Seduction and thank you for watching. See you guys next week.